The physical presence calculator only collects information about the 5 years immediately before the date of your application, and you need to meet at least the 1095 days requirement. And then you need to fill in all the required information, enter all the dates correctly, list all the time spent serving a sentence if you have, and list all the time you are away from Canada in the last 5 years. Okay, so let's start. So you can just Google physical presence calculator. And then when you are here in their website, you can scroll down and you can see the start calculation button and just click on that. And here, enter the date you will sign the application. So if you don't know when are you going to sign the application, you just enter the date today. So this is just a sample. Okay, enter the date, and here enter the date you became permanent resident of Canada. So you can check on your PR card or on your record of landing the information about your date of becoming a permanent resident. So after you fill in all the information in here, you can click on save or calculate. So here I want to save it. So I already have an account. If you don't have any account in here, you can click on register. So since I already registered before, I'll just scroll down and click on login. So here I'll just enter a sample name. I can just put my name or a name. Okay, and after that click on calculate. So when you finish that, they will ask, did you have temporary resident status like visitor, international student, temporary worker? So you can select on here, and then you can also see between 2017. So you have to check on that period. So yes, so you can check in here if you're a visitor. So we can use temporary resident worker, and then from that date we just need to follow the date on here in 2017. Okay, so I made an error there. So 2017, that is February 16 to 2017 November 11. Okay, then after that click on calculate, and then click on no. Did you spend a sentence? So no, and then click on continue. After that, they will ask, did you leave Canada between 2017 February 16 to 2020? So no. Just click on submit and click on continue. So in here we can see if we are eligible. So it's 1687. So we are more than with the requirement. Like the requirement is, I think, 1095 days. So you can print that page. So you need to print this page to include in your application. So you can save also in your computer and email or you can save in your email. Okay, so that's it. So that is how easy to do the physical presence calculator. And if you have any questions, that comment down below. And yep, thank you so much for watching, and good luck to your